we get our show started, if I could have my friends in the front row take one step back away from the silver railing. There's absolutely no touching that silver railing in front of you. Now's the time to put on your 3D glasses and enjoy the show.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're down the open highway and the fire going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all later.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We won't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Big and Liam. Work here with me. What could possibly go wrong?
I must have hit that track switch. It's a stampede. They're running. Look.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's
That explains why I wear pants and Pluto doesn't. Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Oh, ow! Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. If you don't have any other plans, well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I need someone.